Tashkent, Uzbekistan.
Okay, so here's another area that I've been getting recommended, Mirzo Ulugbek district, and it's kind of near Eco Park, so it's kind of a big district, but where I should be is down here, which is where I'm at. And there is quite a bit going on around here. So you can see down there's like a big mural. I should walk down that way, but there's construction right there, and then it ends. And then this has quite a few streets, quite a few, yeah, boutique. It looks like they're going to be a lot busier in the evening time. It looks like they're going to do something in the street too, so they have all this construction right there, but you can see there's KFC, Mac Bro, Zoo, Planeta, Kebab Shop, Bob's Market, Burger Place, Pizza Place, Chinese Walk. So anyways, we are going to start here, and then we're going to try to walk over there and kind of see what else we can see and give you an idea for this neighborhood. Okay, we got another one from Tashkent, Uzbekistan, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're kind of, this particular street, what I did was I had a driver drop me off kind of in a construction area, so I guess they're still building the street out to more cool stuff. But it's kind of a little cool area with lots of interesting stuff that you should definitely see. You saw a little bit of it in the preview, and I'll just walk through the whole street. And I'm also going to just angle all the way through, all the way to the big Uzbekistan landmark hotel, and then into the little tourist street as well. So, but the bulk of it is going to be with a name that you can see down below. So it's definitely kind of the hip, trendy spot to go. So that's why I went there as well, and I'm going to show it to you as if you're there yourself. Let's go check out a little slice of Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Okay, so we're kind of walking in this way. You can see the blue, but what I want to do is go the other way towards Eco Park. That's the one that I've been hearing about quite a bit. All these leaves. So let me just, we're gonna go behind us in a second, but I just want to, oh, here's something called Bitcoin, and there's a Bitcoin right there too. Oh, it's called Bitcoin. And then we have this mural. So it looks like they're gonna build like maybe a pedestrian street in here. I think this is kind of getting recommended quite a bit on my, I've been searching AI to see where to go. It's got a music note and some kind of musical instrument right there as well. And then when I came here, I took a taxi, and we were kind of going through these neighborhoods. It's like a bunch of kind of cool looking residential places over there. There's just somebody in a skirt straight ahead. You can't really see it on the camera, but it kind of indicates the neighborhood, right? So it's like more trendy or cosmopolitan. And here's this big mural right here, Coca-Cola. We'll walk past it a little bit, and then we also have this guy with the keyboard. So we're going to be exploring this neighborhood, this street. Let me get out of the sun a little bit, and this would kind of be more the start of it, I think. Okay. So yeah, it looks like they're doing all this construction right now, but then this will all change in the future. So let's jump ahead and get into it more past this construction part. So we're passing this construction area. Not too far from here, there's this like library right here, bookstore library. So it's actually pretty cool. I wanted to film, but there's a lot of families and kids, so I don't want to film kids. But we're gonna walk down through this way and into that space. But before we do, there's also all these alleys in this neighborhood too, that you can go behind the buildings, but we're gonna go and kind of see what the storefronts are. Okay, so we have like lots of like, they must be doing something big planned for this whole thing. It does look like a nice neighborhood, and it is on the list of places to go if you're looking for something kind of interesting. I put the keywords like, not that I'm looking for hipster stuff, but it'll like put me in the area that might be a little bit multicultural, a little bit different. Elite alcohol, H-box, cases store. Okay, so let's get up there further ahead. But I can kind of see that this whole thing does have all these kind of interesting shops, restaurants, and people seem interesting too. So I don't know how far we're gonna go. We'll go down there and then we'll see what that's all about. So it's kind of interesting. This is wine and whiskey, but I think it's just like a shop that you can buy your wine and whiskey in. But that kind of reflects too of maybe some of the stuff that's here. Oh, no problem. So, but I think that like one thing I've noticed in Tashkent so far is that there's a lot of like the Islam seems like not as many people wear the headscarves as I'll see in Malaysia, Indonesia, Middle East, stuff like that. And when I was in Uzbekistan, which is also Muslim too, I seldom saw the hijabs and stuff like that. So I think that kind of says something, I don't know what, but okay, so we're gonna be walking towards Eco Park, which is something that I kind of read about quite a bit. So we're gonna be going in that direction until we get there, and we'll show that to you as well. Here's yet another one, Legion. So they also, I can see alcohol in there too, it says beer. So that's actually interesting as well. You have a nice park in here, and we're gonna walk towards this Eco Park, but I also want to just show off some of the other stuff around here. There's this thing that's kind of cool. That was the street they were just on right there, and there's more down that way as well. More bike share stuff. We also have these nice parks. So I think we're gonna keep on walking down that way, and then we'll see what we can see. Yeah, I saw these everywhere in Almaty, Kazakhstan as well, but like little scooter, you can just rent them. It's so funny, I can smell like the smell of grass. I usually associate that with the United States. I don't really see lawnmowers very often. So now we're in Eco Park. So we're gonna, and actually I was just looking at the map, I was kind of surprised. Grand Plaza, I wonder what that is. I was kind of surprised to see that there's a famous hotel that's not too far from here as well. So I think we're gonna walk through Eco Park to that. It's like, I'll explain that later. Huh. There's your grill. Looks like there's like little blah blah bar, Tashkent. I think I might have heard about this. So maybe the street I was on wasn't really the heart of it, but I did hear a lot about Eco Park. So So I think we were going to walk down that way, but maybe we'll just walk right into this whole area. Looks like another place that I've been seeing that in the daytime it's like maybe too hot. I haven't really seen that many people, but I think in the evening this would be quite lively and interesting. Interesting. Blah blah bar. Pretty sure I read about that. Looks like a massive place, so probably is a destination. It's interesting. In 1993 they changed the Latin script, but I don't see it very often. There's a place called Broccoli. That's kind of a cool name. Yeah, the menu, I cannot read it. It's all in the Cyrillic language. Blah blah blah. Blah blah bar. Okay. But yeah, actually this is nice. So there's actually like places to kind of hang out, and there's also a beautiful park. So you kind of get both. So yeah, I guess where we started, it wasn't really the heart of when people say this neighborhood that I put in the map, which I can't pronounce yet. Huh. Broccoli Park, blah blah bar. Flowers. The red cut. So I kind of have a feeling we're just tapping into it a little bit, but there's probably a lot more to it. Luxurious grill bar, the red cut. That's a good name for a steak. So just keep on walking down, and I think we're gonna be just exploring this park, because I think this is part of it too. So on the map, Eco Park, and we're really close to Hotel Uzbekistan, which is this kind of famous Soviet style building So it might even be right on the other side of these trees. Oh, I think I saw this here. There's like a little mosque right in here too. So maybe what we'll do is we'll try to navigate around. Maybe we have to go that way. And then we'll go to this other area that I was at, but we'll combine it. And that'll kind of give you an idea of the neighborhood a little bit. So yeah, here's Hotel Uzbekistan. That's an iconic landmark, Soviet style. I was almost gonna say there. Still might. But yeah, this one, so you can actually get right back there to Eco Park and that other street. So they're just kind of in the same neighborhood. And since we're already here, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go into this, I think it's called Amir Temur. And we're gonna follow it into the train station. So we're gonna go down underneath and then go over there. And then we're gonna try to go to this other area too, so we can kind of combine the two. So let's go on down underground. Okay, so we started just behind this Uzbekistan Hotel Uzbekistan. This is Amir Temur, a very famous Uzbek, and I think it's 15th century, 16th century. Strength and Justice. There were some references. On video number 1, I did mention a little bit about that. I looked it up on AI, but we're going to be walking down here and combining this other neighborhood, which is also kind of a tourist area actually, with lots of like restaurants for tourists. We're going to go down there and then show it's kind of linked. So it's linked together with not too far from that Eco Park that we're at. Eco Park was right behind Hotel Uzbekistan, and then the video will be connected with that with the first where we started at. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, that's the monument. That's Hotel Uzbekistan. Then this was the street that we went through about 11 in the morning, and looks just as quiet as it was earlier. But earlier I came and I was thinking, oh, it's probably be pretty busy in the evening, but I guess it's not quite late enough. Let's get up there a little bit closer and we'll end the video up there. So this is I think it's like $1.50 to play this game. Darts, basketball, so it's kind of set up for kids. Cars, pizza, sodas, ice cream. Hello, how are you? Tourist stuff as well. So so I was hoping it'd be even livelier, but maybe a little bit later in the evening it'll be more lively. But yeah, it looks like this is all set up for crowds and lots of people. Let's go up to the corner and then we'll take a look at that, and then we'll end the video for this part. This is really good tea, by the way. It's like berry, raspberry, blueberry. So yeah, the street is just as quiet as it was in the morning. It was, I don't know, maybe later it'll be more busier. Maybe the sun, it's like the bulk of the day. So we're gonna end this video. So we got to explore that street that was where we started at. Went through the park, Eco Park, saw the monument again, and we came down here. And it's about 5 p.m. and I believe it's a Monday.